Hey everyone, today we're diving into one of our all-time favorite barbecue spots in Las Vegas, Rolling Smoke Barbecue. If you've never been, well, you're missing out. And if you have been, you already know what's up. Stay tuned while we show you everything Rolling Smoke has to offer, and don't forget napkins, because this place gets messy in the best way. First off, where can you find this barbecue heaven? Rolling Smoke has a few locations around Las Vegas, but our personal go-to is the one on Highland Drive. It's a little tucked away, but it's well worth the trip, trust us. Alright, let's get into the good stuff, the menu. If you're staring at it and feeling a little overwhelmed, don't worry, we've got you covered. First up, the beef ribs. These things are massive. I'm talking about ribs that could probably win a wrestling match. They're smoky, tender, and packed with flavor, exactly how beef ribs should be. Next, the burnt ends. If you know, you know. These are little bites of barbecue perfection. Crispy on the outside, melt in your mouth on the inside. Trust me, once you try them, you'll be hooked. It's the kind of dish where you take a bite, close your eyes, and thank the barbecue gods. Of course, no barbecue meal is complete without the sides. What we're really into are their waffle fries, crispy, golden. I also love their potato salad. Now for dessert, banana pudding. Trust us, make room for it. Let me tell you about their sauce spread. They've got around 6 different sauces to choose from, ranging from sweet to spicy and even a vinegar-based sauce and a mustard-based sauce. You can grab as much as you want, and believe me, it's all delicious. Prices here are pretty solid for Las Vegas. You won't break the bank, but you'll leave feeling like you should have paid more for how good everything is. Alright everyone, that's a quick look at Rolling Smoke Barbecue, our favorite barbecue joint in Las Vegas. If you haven't tried it yet, you're missing out on a food coma in the best way possible. So next time you're in town, make sure to stop by. Let me know in the comments if you've been here before and what your favorite dish is. As always, like and subscribe for more Las Vegas content, and we'll catch you in the next one.